Check this out, guys. I bought this Bostrom used seat, wide ride, for my Volvo, but it doesn't work. The mounting plate, it's totally different, much smaller than Volvo, but I got the Volvo adapter plate. You screw it down to Volvo floor, and then you put the custom seat on it. But this one is for the Seats brand, and this is Bostrom, and I'm trying to make it work. It will work. Show you how I do it. Previous owner got this seat in his Peterbilt, and he make it work drilling these holes. It's like 5-inch wide, and this holes here to make it work in his truck. So make it work with this plate that work with seats. I had to drill 2 holes here, 6-inch wide, and 2 holes here. So it's 12-inch long and 6-inch wide. But to make it work, you have to be careful and drill the holes wherever on this plate that's not going to collide with any of these components, because there is a lot of stuff going on here. So now it's going to work. I'm going to have to clean it. I got the flap disc grinder. I'm going to clean it, paint it, and mount it in the truck. Treat this with the flap disc. Looks really good. I'm gonna clean it, degrease it, prime it, and paint it. Good to go. Ready for paint, fellas. First coat. All dry. Ready to roll. Let's put the plate on. It's not very easy, but it's doable. I was hoping I'm gonna have a little more room for these nuts, but I think I'll be fine. Front bolts are on. It was tight, but not too bad. Now time for the back one. Adapter plate is on. It's all tight. We gotta take it to the truck, put it in. I'm in the truck. Here is the old seat. There's 4 bolts, 14 millimeter, holding the seat. I'm gonna remove it right now. But before I remove the seat, I have to remove the seat belt from the seat. So I gotta take this cover off. It's a T20 Torx holding it right here. Ah, shoot. The seat is off. Actually, on my old Volvo, there is 3 bolts holding on the back and 2 on the front. So I gotta disconnect some plugs, because this one is for the heated seat. This one is the heated one. Didn't even use it, so just gonna disconnect this. And these ones are old connectors for the automatic transmission. It used to have a 12-speed Meritor automatic. I swapped it to 13-speed manual. See this out. I got a vacuum here, clean a little bit, put the new one in. Let it clean up. See this in. Just have to put the bolts back in. Seat belt. That's it. We're gonna have to start the truck, build the pressure, and we'll see how high it goes. This is the highest the seat will go Not super high, but it's okay. That's it. Like 3 inches. I like it. Last thing is the seat belt. This side and the other side the latch. On this side, put the latch on and you're good to go.